Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the previous last 2 hour results. What's going in the cryptocurrencies market of Cardano. As you can see here, the falls of Cardano starts here. It's a very bad news for all Cardano holders. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality of Cardano. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies of the previous 2 hour. As you can see here, the change is a negative 1.44% change in a Cardano in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrency in the last previous in a crypto market is $1.21 is a high price of Cardano in a market. As you can see here, the chart of the Cardano, so it's clear that they are falling down with a very fastly speed like a rocket. They falls down, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. It's the best time to sell it. So what's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano in the last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour? Oh my god, it's also a very bad news for all Cardano holders. I'm sorry to say that. As you can see here, the graph of the Cardano, it's falls down, falls down, falls down. It's very badly and very fastly falls down. It's the dumping time of Cardano. So be safe from loss, sell it, and don't buy the Cardano in this period. As you can see here, the change is a negative 1.7% change of the Cardano in the previous 1 hour. Result of Cardano is here. Now the current price of Cardano is $1.18 is the price of Cardano in this time. So as you can see, the live price prediction chart of the Cardano, it's fall down, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.